seen that the Rahul Gandhi. We know that we are expecting an announcement from Congress chief Rahul Gandhi that earlier itself he highly criticized and he requested the central government, the Congress chief of Uttar Pradesh government regarding as you mentioned the political blame. They didn't react to that now to Wayanad, which is one of the most affected area of the huge land. They will announce more amount for the state. So the visit of Rahul. All the miseries and the griefs which they shared to him, and he also visited the damaged house there. As we already 1 year already come to that sure the farmers are planning to move to Alapi district to have a word with the fishermen, and this is the central government to allocate more funds for the state. This we have a Minister Pinarayi Vijayan will conduct a press meet during